Viewers, in this video we'll see the details about 2:1 multiplexer. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. We'll see the details about the 2:1 multiplexer. The diagram shows the 2:1 multiplexer. What is multiplexer? It's nothing but 2 to the power n input with 1 output, right? 2 to the power n input having 2 to the power n input and produce only one output with n number of selection lines, right? So it is nothing but a many input line to only one output line. There are many input lines will be there. It will produce only one output. Out of many input, it will produce only one output. So that is done by the n number of selection lines. The selection line will decide which input should be available at the output. So in this 2:1 multiplexer, the n equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is to 1 and one selection line. So the 2:1. Two inputs, only one output and one selection line, right? So we'll see this diagram. So the two inputs are D0 and D1, right? These two inputs are D0 and D1, right? So this is the selection line, only one selection line, only one output. The entire circuit is enabled by the signal enabled. If the enable is 1, then only the circuit will work. If enable is 0, the circuit will be ideal. It will not produce any output. So the circuit is controlled by the enable. In order to make the circuit to work, this enable is used, right? So the D0 and D1 is the two input selection line, and one enable input is there, only one output is produced, right? So this selection line will decide which input should be available at the output, either D0 or D1, right? So we are using the two AND gates, then that is connected to the one OR gate. So both are AND gate means it will multiply the inputs. OR gate means it will add the inputs, right? So what are the inputs to this first AND gate? The D0 is connected, then enable is connected, then selection line is connected. Selection line is connected directly to the second AND gate, and it is connected through the then connected through the NOT gate, inverter, to the first AND gate, right? So D0 is connected to first AND gate, enable is connected, then selection line is connected through the inverter, NOT gate. In second AND gate, D1 is connected, enable is connected, and selection line is connected directly, right? So this is the input to the two NOT gates, and both are added together, produce the single output, right? Now we'll see the selection line. Suppose if the selection line is 0, if the selection line is 0, what will happen? The 0 is given to the second AND gate. So the totally the output is 0. If any one input is 0 means the totally output will be 0. Here the 0 is converted into 1, that is given to this first NOT gate. So the select line is 1. Already enable also 1, right? Enable also 1. So both three, input 2 and 3 is 1. So if the D0 is either 0 or 1, that D0 will be available at the output, right? For a selection line 0, the output will be D0, right? So the selection is 0 means the 0 is directly given to the second AND gate, so it will not produce any output, it is 0. The same 0 is inverted by the NOT gate, so the 1 is applied to the first NOT gate, first AND gate, and also enable is already 1, right? Both are 1, so D0 will be available at the output. So the selection line is 0 means we got the output as D0. If the selection line is 1, what will happen? This 1 is directly given to the second NOT gate. The same one is changed into 0 by this NOT gate. The 0 is given to the first AND gate. If it is 0, any one input is 0 means the output of AND gate is 0 only. So here 0. This AND gate will produce 0. Only this AND gate having 1. Already enable is 1. So the D0 will be available at the output, right? So the D0, because enable is 1, selection line is also 1. So whatever may be the D0, if the D0 D1 is 0 means the 0 available. D1 is 1 means the 1 will be available, right? So the selection line is 1 means we'll got the output as D1, right? So selection line 0, this multiplexer will produce D naught as a output. Selection line is 1, it will produce D1 as a output, right? So that expression is given, y equal to E S bar D naught plus E S D1, right? We'll see this expression. What is this? What is the enable value? Enable value is always 1. Suppose if the selection line is 0, if the selection line is 0, we'll see the what will happen if the selection line is 0, right? So enable is already 1. If the selection line is 0 mean S bar will be 1. Then we have D naught plus the enable is 1, selection line is here 0, then D1, right? See this, because of this 0, this total expression become 0. Here 1 D naught is there, so that we will get the D naught as a output. If S equal to 0, we got D naught as a output. Suppose S equal to 1, what will happen? So enable is 1, S equal to 1 means S bar will be 0. Then we have D naught plus enable is 1, S is 1 here only, 1. Then D1, right? Here 0 is there, so totally this expression become 0. These two are 1, so we'll got D1 as a output, right? So S equal to 0 means D naught is the output, S equal to 1 means D1 is the output, right? So this selection line will decide either which one is as a output, either D naught or D1. It is decided by the selection line. Now we'll see the block diagram and truth table. So this is the enable input, selection line, output. If the enable input is 0, whatever may be the selection, the output will be 0. If enable input is 1, then only the circuit will produce the output, otherwise it will not produce. In order to control the circuit, we are having enable input. So if no need to work, no need to produce any output, mean we can make enable input is 0, so the totally output is 0. If the enable input is 1, the selection line is 0 means the output will be D naught. The selection line is 1 means the output will be D1, what we discussed in the earlier. That's now we discuss how it is produced. If the 0 means D naught, 1 means D1. So this is the block diagram. Two inputs are available, D naught, D1, selection input, the enable input and selection line. So having two inputs and one output, right? The selection line 0 means the first input will be available at the output. The selection line is 1 means the second output will be available, second input is available at the output. Now we'll see the detailed truth table also available. So it will give more details. 0, the enable input is 0, whatever may be the selection line, what is the value of D naught or D1, the output will be 0 only. If the selection lines are 1, then only it will produce the output. We have 4 combination, right? First 0, selection line is 0 means it will produce the D naught as a output. If the D naught is 0, output also 0. D naught is 1, output is 1, whatever may be the D1, right? For I have already discussed, if the selection line is 0, it will produce D naught as a output. That is D naught having two options. D naught may be 0 or 1. If it is 0, the output is 0. If it is 1, output will be 1. Whatever may be the D1 value. If the selection line is 1, then D1 is a output. D1 will be produced at the output, whatever may be the D naught. If the D1 is 0, output will be 0. If the D1 is 1, output will be 1, right? So this is nothing but E S bar D naught. This is E S D1, what we discussed in the earlier, right? So this is a give the detailed diagram, all possible options, right? Selection line 0 means whatever may be the D1, the D naught is 0, output is 0. D naught is 1, output will be 1. So this D naught value will be reflected at the output. If the selection line is 1, the D1 input is reflected at the output. Now we'll see the some description. When E naught is 0, the output is 0 irrespective of any input condition. Enable is 0 means totally the all outputs are 0. When E equal to 1, the circuit will work as follows. When S equal to 0, the inverted S, that is 1, gets applied to as a second input to the first AND gate. since S is applied directly as the input to the second AND gate and its output goes 0 irrespective of the first input. Since the second input of the AND gate is 1, its output equal to the first input, that is 0. Hence, y equal to d naught, right? When S equal to 0, we got y equal to d naught. Exactly opposite to when the case S equal to 1. If S equal to 1, the output will be D1, right? So, the details are available, the description is given. So, in this video, we discuss about 2:1 multiplexer, 2 input with 1 output, that is controlled by the one selection line. If the selection line is 0, first input will be available at the output, selection line is 1, second input is available at the output. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.